ban beteng e gijing tumu ban pazutho e ki Kynthei kham tam e ki to ki brande gijing shitom ke blatep kum ka fallopian tubes block bat kumno bala bana jing Sumar e kani ka Dr. Arpita Sarmah ka Chief IVF Consultant jongka Janitva IVF Center Guwahati kanwan hakashitre ulber ha Children's Hospital Shillong bane kendo kerpang ya kinongpang.
Hello everyone. Infertility is a health problem. It is affecting not only the older couples but the younger couples as well. So if you are one of the couples fighting against infertility, recurrent miscarriages or multiple IVF failures, then get a second opinion with us on 1st March in Shillong Children's Hospital, Koksay. So come and share your problem with us. Explore the newer fertility options coming up in the field of infertility. We are here to help you out.